Hey, it's a bit heavy. I wrap it around their neck, but
Let me help.
I am so scared.
No.
I am
I
afraid.
wanted to help you.
I know, but my body is shaking me too. Don't worry, let me just hold it.
No.
What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's bbmirasworld right here. If you are new, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, thank you for sticking around and welcome to the family. So today we are going to be trying something adventurous. We are going to do Temple of Python, which is located at Ouidah Benin Republic here. I've been trying out different adventures and visiting places, but this one is somehow, so I'm a bit skeptical about that, though I've prayed and I know I'm covered, like literally, because there are some history lines behind these pythons, like they are all alive and we're going to like see them and touch them. So I'm so excited for this adventure, but then I'm a bit scared, but then it's going to go well, like literally. So we're going to go there and find out the history behind the Temple of Pythons and stuff like that. So guys, if you want to watch and see everything that's going to go down today, do not forget to keep sticking around, and let's move into the video now. So guys, before I forget, this is the outfit of the day. I don't wear something simple because I know I'm going to be doing lots of things today. So this is what I came up with, and yeah, basically, and let's get going. Guys, Uber and Taxify does not work here, so after a long day of looking for how to walk around, we actually got a taxi, and right now we are heading to the place. The head is quite far, so let's see. I'm already looking so tired because we were stressed, like literally, but right now we are actually on our way there, so let's all enjoy the adventure. We are like having fun in this taxi, you know. Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Mira Blessing. Je suis a Nigerian and
Small.
Yes. I want to take us and where I'm from. Je suis a Nigerian. Beninois. Guys, my French is very whack. Like, I have retentive memory because I actually learned French from JS1 to JS3, so I have forgotten a whole lot. My senior secondary school, we didn't actually do anything that had to do with French, so it's just like it's just the smaller ones that I know. Grace is actually trying better than I am. She's actually trying. Ça va bien, merci. Et vous?
Merci aussi.
Guys, finally there is a little traffic jam. This is the first time I'm actually seeing traffic jam here. Wow. But it's not, you know, it's just the traffic light. So guys, I'm back here. I was sitting in front before, but they had to share it with two people, so I had to come back to sit with Grace. So we are still at the adventure. We're actually heading to Ouidah because that's where the temple is. Ouidah is very far, somewhat around 45 to 1 hour away from Cotonou. It's another town on its own, so we are keeping our fingers crossed. I'm hoping we go and come back safely. Amen. So we are still here. The road is so clear and smooth. No potholes, no hurdles, no hold up, no go slow, no traffic, no nothing. Like, I'm enjoying this trip. I actually woke up from sleep right now, but we are still on our way though. Guys, like I said, we've gotten to Ouidah, and this is a signpost, Temple of Python. Wow, so this is where we are heading. are still en route, but we are definitely very close. So the driver said, and Veggie Base is here documenting all the moments, guys. Like this trip has been something else. Like we've had the good, we've had the bad, we had the funny, we had so many things. Like it's been a roller coaster, as in everything all rolled in one. But then we're enjoying it, right? Aren't you enjoying the trip?
Yeah, I am. I'm having fun, guys. Actually, a lot. Like Kira has said, a lot. Like a roller coaster.
A lot has been happening.
Being English speakers in a French-speaking country is not funny. So we've been trying to converse with locals, but the language barrier is just something else. So it's funny and frustrating at the same time.
At the same time, so, guys, we've gotten to the temple. Let's start the adventure, guys. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I can't wait. Finally, we are here. So basically, this place is a very historical place, and we are coming to listen to the history about here. This video might not go well with some people because some people will think it is a religious thing. I'm just a vlogger and I'm a believer of God. I'm a Christian. I'm not going to do anything contrary to what I believe in, but I feel I'm an African and I need to like know what happened and hear the history and the religious, whatever it is that is tied to this place. Yeah, for some people it's still what they are currently worshipping, but basically I'm just going to go here and open my ears and tell you guys what I've learned, the history behind it, and why it's still a religion and why so many people are still serving something like this and all this stuff. So let's just move inside and have fun while doing all this. Guys, you can't believe it. Like on this side of the road there is a church, and on this side of the road is the temple. Can you guys just see? That means there is tolerance and everybody can co-locate and all. So we were told that's the way in. Like I think we have to pay or buy a ticket. We are at the ticket center now, and Betu is trying to speak French with them. Like me, I'm so whack, I can't even speak anything. So she's trying to like make inquiries and before we be able to go. Guys, filming and being a content creator is not an easy thing. The actual gate fee here is 1,000 safer to enter inside, but he said before we are able to use our cameras to film inside there, we have to pay an extra charge of 2,000 naira, 2,000 sefa rather. So we have tried to bargain and like bring it down to about 1,000. So finally we are going to pay 3,000 sefa for both of us. So it's okay, no problem. Let's pay. So we are paying right now, and this is 10,000 sefa. And this is the receipt, both for filming and both for entering inside, as you can see. So we're about to start moving. So guys, after paying, they asked us to go in from here. So this is actually where we are supposed to go. We are actually inside here. Let me close the door. Wow. Wow, so we're actually here to see how this place is. Wow, so right now let the adventure start. Yeah.
So I'm saying that in Ouidah those snakes are sacred.
Okay.
Python is the first divinity of the city they are worshipping.
Wow.
And those who venerate the snakes, we recognize them by this scarification. They get the turtle marks, two like this. They have 10, like the species of sign of the worshippers, and they are called Ouidah people.
Wow.
So Ouidah is the name of the clan who worship pythons. And when the French came and they could not pronounce Ouidah, they deformed it, they say Ouidah.
Oh.
It is the name of python people that is in.
Oh.
And those people, they have many ceremonies for the voodoo, for the god, and for the libation, prayer, sacrifice, everything is there because there is the shrine of the temple.
Oh.
And inside the pythons are represented by one sacred stone, like the spirit of the snakes.
Oh.
But we can't go in, only the priest can use keep the gates. But not every day, only the market day, early. You know. And Ouidah is looking like the capital of voodoo all over the world.
Capital of voodoo?
Then they have many voodoo temples. And each one has a traditional voodoo priest. And those ones get one association to pass to the purification of Ouidah one time by 7 years. Because in the former time they don't have hospital. So that ceremony they did to save their people against the accidents, disease, and bad spirit. But 3 days before the ceremony, they select 41 ladies, virgins, send them to the river on the slave's way, and fetch water inside this jar, sacred jar.
Wow.
And the next day, the group of voodoo priests goes into the bush, search the sacred leaves, bring them inside the altar to make confusion. And the day of the ceremony, small morning, early, they have to go to the different part of the city, to the villages, to chase and catch the bad spirit. So the last one was 2013, 2020 February, the next one. Okay? And they use those rooms for the ceremonies. This one they use it to purify the worshippers, those who get this clarification, because they have a lot to respect. And if one of their group does not respect the love of the temple, they go inside this one and take the sacred bath to cleanse themselves.
To cleanse,
for purification is it. And they use that to protect the temple against the bad spirit. Because when they have the ritual, sometimes they have the rivalry between the different temples. And the day of the ceremony, the priest of the snakes, he stays inside this one to chase away the bad spirit for 7 days.
For 7, you stay inside there
He
for
spends
7?
7 nights there.
No food, no nothing.
No, he eats.
Okay.
But he doesn't eat pepper. He doesn't eat salt. So now we can pass to the snakes.
Okay.
And they are not harmful.
Oh.
So they are born without teeth, without poison. You can receive it around your neck as well.
Wow.
Yeah, like your necklace.
Okay, let's show that the snakes are not harmful and we are about to go in. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I'm so scared and nervous. Look at them. They said they are born with no teeth and they are not harmful. Oh my God. Wow. Wow.
No, you can touch it. Don't worry.
It's not harmful, right? Can I touch with my left hand?
Anyone.
Okay.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Because they have the cold blood.
They have cold blood. Yeah, I know. Snakes are cold blood.
Not all the snakes are cold blood.
Oh, not all the snakes. Wow. How long has this been living here?
More than this one. It's not the same all the time.
It's not the same all the time.
Because they let them go to go and find food because they don't feed them.
Oh, they don't feed them.
And every night they let them go. They leave the door open and they go into the town, feed themselves.
And come back.
People bring them back.
People bring them back. So how are we sure that the one that comes back will not be harmful?
Them outside can bring them back.
But how are we sure that the ones coming back are not harmful?
No, they're born like that.
They are born like that.
They're
So what if another species comes in?
You see?
What if another species comes in? It's not possible, right?
It is possible.
For another species of this.
Guys, I can't do this.
So this type of the snakes, naturally they are like that.
Okay. So only this type are the ones people bring back. Wow, like how many are inside right now?
You can move it.
Wow. Hey, it's a bit heavy.
Don't drop it.
No,
Only leave it.
No, I won't do that. So guys, this is what it looks like. People can wrap it around their neck, but
Let me help.
I am so scared.
No.
I am
I
afraid.
wanted to help you.
I know, but my body is shaking me too. Don't worry, let me just hold it.
No. You can do that. You can be brave.
I know. I can just hold it this way, but I can wrap it around my neck. Guys, can you see this? Oh my God, like this is how, and they are not harmful, but they are not harmful at all.
Wow.
I know.
Okay.
Okay. We have to like take our shoes off and go in. So let's see. Removed our stockings and we stepped inside. And wow, they are all here. Wow, jeez. Wow.
India,
No, Mumbai ka, huh?
okay, it's good, eh?
So guys, I just ran into these Indians and we are exchanging pleasantries, speaking Hindi. So yeah, I told them Hindi, Tora
हिंदी थोड़ा थोड़ा इनको थोड़ा थोड़ा मालूम है
and vada pav, samosa pav, acha hai.
मुंबई का पाव भाजी थोड़ा थोड़ा सब
Mumbai
कुछ
ka,
मालूम है
हाँ.
मुंबई का सब आदमी अच्छा है इंडिया का सब आदमी अच्छा है
हाँ, India में सब आदमी अच्छा, but Hindi में Tora मालूम है.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. My virtue Grace is so scared. She refused to hold on to the python and all that. See her. Cry baby. It has been a short but amazing adventure. Virtue Grace the cry baby. She refused to come inside there and all that. So there is a craft market in this same compound. So I'm about to go in and let's see what's in there. Guys, we learned something, yeah. I'm so sorry, I was so scared that I couldn't wrap it around my neck because that's what most people do, although they persuaded me to, but I'm like, no. I've come and I've learned what I wanted to, and I'm sure you guys learned as well. It was a good one, right? So yeah, it's nothing serious, man. It's nothing serious. So basically we are about to go home, and thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you for sharing. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video, and until then, bye.